All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Lots and lots of volatility in the market. Oh my gosh, lots of volatility in the market. All right. So like every stream, we're going to go ahead and send out our alerts. And then once our alerts are sent out, we are going to go ahead and dive in and really go over what's happening in the market. So lots of volatility, as I'm sure you guys are very well aware. But really, you can't say you were all that surprised. I did release a video talking about this actual thing, how it being a very, very legitimate possibility. So that was my last video I released. Make sure to watch that. It will give you an idea of what I was expecting, and it essentially played out basically what I was expecting. I mean, it sucks. It's more violent than I was really planning for. But overall, guys, like, this is something we should have been preparing for. So all right, all my notifications have been sent out. So let's go ahead and take off my cover, and there we are. Awesome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So yeah, lots and lots of volatility in the market. Let me get my comments up so I can see who's on right now. Let's see if I can get this dang thing going. Oh, and my dog Loki's here. Come here, Loki. Come here. Come here. All right. Come here. Here's Loki. He's going to be with us today. He's the god of mischief, so that's cool. So yeah, Loki's with us today. I'm babysitting him. I'll be going today as long as I can. That's my plan. So I have some water, I have some food, I have an energy drink, and I plan on just really sitting here with you guys and giving you guys all the information on what's going on. Play by play and all that good stuff. I'm going to do some chart requests, go over what happened, why it happened, lessons learned. We're basically going to have a good all day today and try to catch some dips. So that's the primary goal, right? So get an idea of when the safe places are to enter. Ooh, I like this. And talk about these charts in extreme detail. And the goal is that after today, you guys will know what I was looking for and why we were able to call this, and also what you can do going forward to try to figure out your own plays, right? So that's the ultimate goal, guys. We want to make sure you guys understand what to do and how to catch these things. So like right here, my last video, emergency crypto market late night update. I released this late at night too. Lots of warning signs, Bitcoin crash incoming. So that was my last video, guys, and I think it's safe to say it played out pretty dang well. So what's going to happen now, right? That's the major question. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and start diving in and seeing what we saw. And then once we go over what we saw, see exactly what played out. And then, of course, the most important thing is what's going to happen from here, right? That's what everyone wants to know. What's the next step? And there's a lot of volatility, guys. Like this is pretty violent, okay? No doubt about it. Bro, I took a long sold at 145 liquidation prices. Well, we'll talk about that, man. I do like SOL at this level. I like a lot of coins at this level. I think that we're in for some sort of a relief. However, at the same time, this may have been the relief right here. And the reason why I'm going to dive in this real quick is because when you go over here to Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin. All right, so we're here on Bitcoin right now, right? This level, this breaker right here, this daily one, yeah, this right here has given us a lot of support so far. So you can see we had a support, all this support. And finally, for the first time in a long time, we've actually broken through. However, this is the important thing. Have we closed below this support? Is this now, can we officially turn this from green to red? That's the question, right? Who can answer that? Have we turned this daily breaker into a resistance? Is it official? Have we done so yet? I'm going to let you guys answer that question real quick while I drink my energy drink. Turn this breaker into a... Can we turn this breaker? It's 7 p.m. exactly. Absolutely no. You guys are right. We cannot. This is still a green breaker. However, in the same aspect, this breaker right here, this was a 4-hour breaker. Can we call that officially lost? Yes. Yes, we can. Why? Because now this breaker has been closed underneath. So now we have a really ugly mixture of red and green inside of it, right? So the daily breaker is not closed underneath it, but the 4-hour breaker has closed underneath it. So this is now going to officially act as some level of support. Now, is it going to be a very strong support? I don't know yet, guys. We really don't know. The important thing is that this is going to act as a support, and until we get back above it and reclaim it, this is going to act as a serious support level. And yeah, I do think that this 4-hour level actually is pretty significant. I really do believe that. So it did act as our original retest here, and it held up this entire time, and we finally had our first show of strength on that in a very long time. So yeah, a little bit concerning. I don't know what's going to happen yet, guys. Everyone's been published. Okay, awesome. Okay, cool. So let's keep diving in. So yeah, I think that this will act as some sort of major resistance level, but this is still a support, and until we actually close beneath it, this daily breaker is still going to act as a support level. Now, where am I going to start at? Let's do this. It's going to be a long stream. So, all right, this is the thing that I was looking at beforehand. Okay, if you go on Twitter, I'll show you guys what I was publishing and what I was talking about. So, nope, wrong one. Update. Here we go. All right, this was the fractal that I was looking at. Okay, so what we have here is we have a 4-hour breaker, and we have a test, a test, a test, a test, a test, broke above, fall through, retest, retest, crash down. Okay, that was the overall level that I was looking at. This is what happened way over at Bitcoin. This is what happened at Bitcoin way up here. Okay, this is the chart right here. So you can see all that would just happen. And what happened after this bearish retest was a collapse, right? So we had a test, come back down. This should have held as a support level. If we were in a bullish market, this should have acted as a support level. However, we did not. We fell through. So we need to reclaim it, but we could not reclaim. We had a sort of like a rounded top pattern, tested it, tapped it, fell through. And the exact same thing happened over here. The exact same thing, guys. This is like history doesn't always repeat itself, but a lot of time it rhymes, right? And this is definitely a rounding pattern right here, because we had a weekly breaker right here, test, go up here, came through, should have acted as support level, but it did not. It did not act as support. So came back up, retest, rounded retest, touched our previous support, and fell right through, right? This is textbook, guys. This is a textbook support resistance flop. Now, what's going to happen from here? And that's the major question. So this is the major thing that I was looking at. The other big things I was looking at was going to be here on the DXY. The DXY was accelerating the upside. A little bit concerning. However, we're getting a pretty massive correction right now in DXY. This is really good. This is what we want to see. We want to see DXY drop. And here's the thought process. So DXY is a dollar currency index, right? So what this means is that this is the strength of the US dollar market. Now, of course, the big thing is, like, what do we care about the dollar currency index? I mean, we trade crypto. Well, here's the thing. Crypto, I think we can all agree, especially after this morning last night, is a volatile asset, right? The US dollar in general is not a volatile asset. So when people want to get out of a volatile asset, where do they go? The dollar, right? So when the dollar is increasing, that means generally crypto is decreasing and stocks are decreasing, because that means that people are fleeing from the crypto market and going to the stable asset. And that's what we saw. However, the stocks are holding up decently well, all right, decently well. But the important thing is that money is flowing into or away from dollars and now back into other assets, which is sort of giving me some hope that maybe, no, that's not what it means at all, CB. Don't think of it. It's just like is an index, right? So it's just like an overall general strength of the market. I don't know how they calculate this, but all this means that it is a it just goes to show you the relative strength of the market. I don't even know if there's a high point or a low point. It goes over 100, so I'm assuming it can go above that. I don't know, guys. The important thing is in general, I don't know how they calculate it, but in general, the higher it goes, the more money is flowing into US dollars. And the lower it goes, the more money flowing away from US dollars, generally into other assets like crypto, like stocks and things like that, higher risk assets. So that's what we're looking at. So yeah, go ahead and throw a like and subscribe if you guys have not done it yet, all right? I'm going to be saying that a lot during the stream, so go ahead and do it now if you don't mind. Let people know that this is something that they want to be involved in and all that good stuff. So yeah, not too bad yet. I would not be surprised if it gets worse. So this is something I was looking at before. 4 hour, daily. Yeah, these two daily daily? Weekly. There you go. These two weekly breakers were the things I was looking at on the Dow Jones and Industrial. And as you can see, these two breakers were holding, and all that good stuff, and they fell through. And I was mapping this out this last week, and I was like, ooh, man, we have a lot of weakness in the market right now. So yeah, it looks pretty crappy right now, but we'll see what happens. Okay. Bitcoin dominance, the next thing we're going to look at. Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. Okay, this is good. We want to see Bitcoin dominance decrease because a decrease in Bitcoin dominance means money is going out of our Bitcoin and going into altcoins in general, right? So yeah. Yeah, we're going to go into the individual coins over the course of the stream, guys. I need to understand what's going on in the overall market before I even start touching individual coins, right? So you got to know what's going on in the overall market before you can try to understand what's happening in individual coins. So I will cover all that, I promise, but you guys have to give me some time here, right? I want to skip, right? You got to put the horse in front of the cart and all that good stuff. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance starting to drop. That's a good sign for our altcoins. Let's see, longs are increasing still. Shorts are decreasing. That's a really good sign. I like to see my shorts decreasing. I think DXY is decreasing. Ethereum dominance. Not a huge fan of this chart. Not a huge fan. I don't like the overall interaction here. Don't like it below this breaker. There's still some level of support down here. I wonder if this is significant. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Bitcoin, the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. Let's go to there instead. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Let me expand this out. Really hard to tell what I'm looking at. There it is. Okay. Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. Let's see how that's doing. So Ethereum is our litmus test for the rest of the market because Ethereum does have the most market cap. So we want to see how this is doing so we can get an idea what the rest of the market's doing. All right, awesome. This is what I was concerned about. I didn't really know where we were on the Ethereum chart, but this is my line in the sand for altcoins. So as long as we're above here, I was still going to be pretty relatively healthy. So that's a good sign. I do like seeing this. And also, here's the other cool thing. We're coming back down here, but this breaker, we busted above it. We have not retested it from the top side. This is actually a pretty good sign. I actually like this. I want to see this retested. I think it's a very important one. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see my cat? I don't know if you guys can see him or not. He's messing with the door. He's trying to get in. I don't know if I should let him in or not. He's not very, he's a good cat, but he's pretty annoying, not gonna lie. All right, yeah, I like this though. I like the overall chart. I like how we're coming back down in here. I do like this breaker, and it looks like we've actually bounced off this breaker really well. Let's go ahead and annotate this. Oh, son of a gun. Yeah, this is significant. Okay, I actually like this. Okay, this is actually a really, really good, this is actually a really good sign for me. I like the overall interaction we have here. I like this a lot. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna start gonna start doing all of my updates. I'm trying to update Discord while they're at work and having real lives and stuff while we're over here on YouTube. So I want to make sure they're also getting updates. So what you'll be seeing is I'll be looking at something on a chart, and then as I find something, I'll be transferring it over into Discord so they also get good information. Now, obviously, you really want to be in the stream because I'm going to be giving you a lot more information. But in general, I'm going to be trying to transcribe what I'm seeing on here as well. I really like the Ethereum. Well, let's do this. I am really liking the as you guys know, this is a major sign or major that I look for to find strength in the altcoin market. It appears like we are holding this 4-hour breaker really well. And there is a major daily breaker right below us that would be a very healthy bullish retest. I was concerned on what I would find in this chart based upon recent price action, but am actually pleasant surprised. All right, cool. So essentially what I'm saying here is on this chart, we have this 4-hour breaker, right? I forgot we had this massive impulse, and for some reason I was still thinking we're right here. And my conviction is that if we drop below this level, that's really bad. Okay, this is really bad. However, we obviously did not. We came up here, we made an impulsive movement to the upside, and this still looks like a corrective structure. This still looks very healthy. So no, I don't have any issue with the way this level currently looks. Yeah, this looks really healthy. My line in the sand level that I drew out weeks ago are still very much in the safe zone. Cool. So yeah, this is something I'm really interested in. The movement down also seems corrective, and the movement upwards seems very impulsive. I like it. All right, so let's go ahead and dive out what I just typed out. Okay, so this looks like an impulse. Okay, very impulsive movement upwards. It very obvious increase, right? Also, we have a higher amount of volume on this increase. This looks like a corrective structure. Okay, this looks pretty corrective. So it's slowly dropping, and yeah, this looks fine. Like this overall looks really healthy. It looks totally fine. I don't have any issue with this. So we are bouncing off a very important level, or I'm not going to say a very important level, but a very key level. Like this level right here obviously is a very significant level, just because this was a clearly established breaker on the way up on this movement. So yeah, this looks really good. I don't have any issue at all with Ethereum BTC pairing. And this right here is a major level, major key indicator for our entire altcoins, because this is how important this is, right? So you go to the coin market cap, Ethereum has $358 billion in market cap, guys. That is a tremendous amount, right? Obviously, it was a lot more yesterday, but it's still a ton of money, right? $358 billion. If you go to the entire market cap, Ethereum owns like what, 30% of all? Oh, yeah, about 30% of all altcoins is Ethereum. So you really need to know what Ethereum's doing so that every other cryptocurrency where we're going to be going at. So yeah, although we had a 10% drop, it's fine. I'm totally okay with the current level that we're looking at. So yeah, I'm totally fine with this. So Ethereum looks good. That's a really, really big sigh of relief because I haven't looked at this yet, and I was a little terrified to even do so because with how aggressive the drop was, I was like, oh, this is going to be bad. But actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. So on Bitcoin technicals, if we go over here to the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, our Bitcoin dominance is continuing to drop. This is a really good sign. I like seeing a drop on Bitcoin dominance. That means money is flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins, or if the money's flowing into the market, it's flowing into altcoins at a higher rate, which I like because I'm very exposed to altcoins right now. So let's go ahead and add that on here, right? Yeah, so CB's taking care of all of my all the information on the chat, and I really do appreciate that, CB. But essentially, what's going on, guys, is I want you guys to like the people who are in here. If you guys are doing chart requests, I'm not doing any chart requests till I get the overall state of the market. That's number one. Number two, if the market was stable, if the market was very, you know, just going around its business, if it was very consolidating, I would be much more willing to look at altcoins and check out all you guys what to do. However, I have some leading indicators and some leading cryptocurrencies that I want to look at because I know that they have been very, very safe coins to watch in times of volatility. Okay, I'm looking for those coins because those are the ones that are tried and true and my major signs to look for the crypto market. Okay, so I will not be doing many chart requests this stream, and that's a good thing because I need to be looking at what is actually going on in the overall market and not focusing on these random coins you guys are throwing at me. Okay, if you're overexposed to these coins, it sucks. I get it, right? I'm very overexposed in a lot of positions. I've lost a ton of money last night, but guess what? I need to know what's going on in the entire market before I start diving into individual coins. All right. So stop throwing out individual coins. I promise you guys, I'm not going to look at it until at least I go over my major indicators. So yeah. All right. Bitcoin dominance. Let's see how it's doing. I think it's doing really well. Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is really starting to drop. I am liking what I am seeing. All right, so here's the deal, guys, and I'll make this very clear to you guys, okay? Based upon the information I'm giving you, if the altcoins as a whole look good, I don't care what altcoin you're in. It's going to go up, okay? However, if the altcoins as a whole look bad, guess what? They're all going to crash, okay? So don't stress about individual altcoins, okay? Don't stress about that. If you want to learn, like if you want to really know what's going on in the market, pay attention, stay like it's okay, all right? Don't stress about your individual altcoins. You guys need to be looking at the overall market. You guys are zooming in way too closely, and instead, you need to zoom the hell out and look at the entire market because that's the most important thing. And not only the crypto market, we'll be looking at Dow Jones Industrial Average, we're looking at the Chinese markets, all these other things are the major things we're looking at right now, okay? So stop stressing, okay? Focus on the overall market, and we will get to those individual coins as the market starts stabilizing and as we get a better idea of what's going on. Like right now, DXY is crashing. That's great for us, right? I need to be looking at this and not the overall or the individual coins. All right, cool. DXY is dropping. We have Bitcoin dominance dropping. That's really, really good. I like seeing this. DXY dropping is the most important indicator. All right, this is the one that I think is drop as, and DXY is starting to really drop. This means that money is flowing out of the US dollar, stable asset, and into the more speculative. It also tells us the money is flowing into altcoins specifically compared to Bitcoin, which this is not surprising. All right, and this is not surprising because our altcoins are actually on major support levels. However, Bitcoin is not, okay? And that's very important. Bitcoin is not on a major support level. However, our altcoins actually are. So because of that, that's really important, okay? It's something you guys really need to fully grasp, but like our altcoins are actually on a really major level. Give me a sec, I'll show you guys some examples of that. Let's see. I'm trying to update everyone at once. A lot going on. Oh my gosh. There you go. 1 and 2. Wait, what the hell? Oops, this is not right. Go ahead and delete this. Here we go. Yeah, so obviously, if you guys are not part of the Discord, you're seriously missing out, because I do update Discord a lot, and I make sure they're up to speed on what's going on. So, let's see. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, so the total 2 chart, we are dropping below this major breaker, but like we talked about earlier, this level has not been lost yet, okay? It has not been lost yet. And actually, the more I look at this, this looks pretty significant. Let's find something better. Ooh, I didn't even see this. Support. So we do have these minor support levels on the way down for the total 2 chart. Really nice. I like to see this. I never noticed this before. I was really focused on this overall weekly, and I just don't know if we're gonna get this now. I don't think we are. I really don't. Hey, I appreciate that, TK. Absolutely, man. Listen to your call in the dump to save me a big loss. Awesome, brother. Hey, if anyone in here, like, seriously had, if that video really did save you guys' butts, I would really appreciate if you go on the Discord server, come over here into testimonials and do a testimonial on whatever, right? If you want to talk great about me, if you want to talk crap about me, I really don't care. Either way is fine. But either way, if you did actually save a lot of money from my call, make sure to throw that in there, man. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, I'm glad to hear it, dude. I really am. So yeah, these 2 levels right here are pretty significant. We have dropped below it. It's not it is a sweep. I don't like that sweep though. Okay, individual coins are on major support levels. Let's look at this. All right, my biggest holding is Hbar, right? So Hbar is my biggest holding. So obviously I have to look at this. And look at this flip. Okay? This weekly breaker is massive. Is absolutely massive, right? So we came up here, we tapped it, broke above, came back down, retested, a hope that we continue the upside. This is what you really want to see. And we are on this major support level, okay? And not only that, we also have this level, which is a breaker that we also have bounced from. Now, if we get up to here, this is going to act as a major resistance. Why? It's a daily breaker, okay? So this is what I'm currently looking at for Hbar. So when we come up here, if you want to get out of the market because you are overexposed, this is your area to get out of the market, okay? Path. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at right now for Hbar. I think it makes a lot of sense. Hbar. Oh. Like, you can't make it any clearer than this. This is an absolutely gorgeous point of breakdown. And that's what it's called, weekly point of breakdown. such an obvious level, like such an obvious level. Weekly point of breakdown, we hit that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and do here. We are bouncing up from the major weekly point of breakdown. I have listed out the primary target for this movement. Take profits here if you want to lessen your position. However, I would not be selling now because this is a major support. All right. Thank you, Grammarly, for fixing my grammar, because apparently I really have bad grammar. So, the two paths that are very possible are listed here. This breaker might be hit quickly simply because we are grossly oversold. All right. Okay, cool. So, though that's my overall idea of Hbar, I think that makes the most sense. So I think we have some relief in the market right now for Hbar. Also, I've never even considered this level, but actually, the more I look at it, I actually like this. What? How did I miss this? This is absolutely a weekly breaker. It's not as clean. I think it's not as significant as this one, but yeah, this is both. These are both very major levels. I think all of this is very significant. So you see, like, all this massive conglomeration. This right here is a massive, massive support level. Yep, I'll cover ADA. I'm gonna do this for like hours, guys. Like, don't stress, okay? But I have a lot I gotta go over in this stream. So sit back, relax. We have a lot to go over. All right, like seriously. Hbar. I have also. Okay, cool. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see how we're doing on there. And let's talk about my overall bias on Bitcoin because it's the most important one right now. Everyone really needs to pay attention to it. So, what am I looking at here? Which chart is this I want to look at? Last level for the bull market. Perfect. This is what I want to look at. So this to me is the level. These are the levels that are most important. Okay. And I've had this drawn out for a while. Ooh, I just saw a weekly breaker that was formed. Well, it's not formed yet. It's forming, but it hasn't formed yet. That's good. It's really good. I really don't like that breaker being here. So I really want to see this thing getting back above. Let's see. What is this? 4 hour, 3 day? 3 day. There it is. Okay. So 3 day breaker. I need to start labeling my stuff, make it a little clearer. Your resistance. Oops. All right, let's see. I'm struggling right now, guys. I am struggling. Wait a second. Do I have super chat enabled? What? No, I don't. What? All right, hold on a second. I'm really curious to see this real quick. Give me 1 second. Do I legitimately have super chat enabled now? Wait, I think I do. Oh my gosh, I do. I have super chat enabled. Oh my gosh. You know what that means? All right, how about this? I will play this game with you guys. I need to make some money because I lost my ass last night. Here's what I'm going to do. If you want me to do your chart request, like right now, what's a good price? What is a good price you think is reasonable? If you really, really want that chart request right now because you just cannot wait any longer, I want a $20, $20 super chat. Do it right now, and I will front load you and do analysis right now. There you go. How about that? If it's really that important, you just cannot wait. You cannot wait like an hour. There you go, man. I will do it right now if you do it like that. There you go. So we're to do this as a capitalistic sort of mentality. Free market, right? Yep. Super chat is something you can just like on YouTube, you give me money, and it's put on there and say $20. You can say like, I just paid you, now do my chart, son of a bitch. You know what I mean? Whatever you want to say, I don't care. I'm going to do what I want to do, unless you want to throw me some money, in which case I'll do what you want to do. How about that? Is that fair? No, not $2, 20. I want $20. 20 bucks so I can buy me lunch. All right, I got to focus. I got to focus on what's going on. All right, so yeah, this is the overall market that we're looking at on Bitcoin. There's the 2 daily levels right here. This is my 2 daily levels. We never actually touched it. I'm a little bit surprised. Oh, we did touch it up here. I really thought we'd come back up here and retest it again, but we didn't. So I don't know. Not really sure what's going on right there with that. I thought we would come back up here higher. We got above it, but we collapsed back below it. Really thought we'd come back up here. We fell short of our actual level. Wait, it's listed as a no. It should be a super chat. You could increase it. There you go. That's fine, man. Hey, I'll take the money. I'm not going to stop you. Make that very clear. So I like money. I got to make up for my losses from last night. So where are we at? So this right here, this is going to be a 3-day level, I believe. No. Daily? Yes. Daily level. This is still acting as support, like we talked about. And right now, we're actually back inside of this level. That's really nice. I do want to see this. Other key things we've lost right now. We're not really lost yet, but it's looking pretty crappy. We have lost or losing the 200 moving average, but right now we're holding this major level. So, like I mentioned, though, this is going to be a support. This is going to be a resistance level, right? So this is a resistance level, and that was a support level. So, so 44.2. So 44.6 is a good exit point if you want to get out. 44.200. Good level to take profit if you want. All right, let me see. There's that. So yeah, if you want to try to get out some, 44.200 to 44.600 is a good level to take profit if you want to get out of your senior position. It's not that bad of an idea. It honestly isn't. Not necessarily. And everyone lost money. If you shorted the market, you'd be good. All right. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me. Right in here, major level. This is a big area where this is a very important area right now that I do see will act as a major level of contention. If we get above there and reclaim this as support, then we can be pretty damn confident that we're going to have at least a short-term temporary bounce. All right. But yeah. Oh, man. I like this buyback. What is this, Binance.us? Yeah, I don't like that. Crappy exchange. Bro, gross. Whoa. Holy whoa. All right, so let's talk about this. Massive volume right here. Wait, no, I want that. I don't want this. Magnet off, yeah. Let's do it this way. There we go. So look at this candle. Look at this candle. It's absolutely just gorgeous. Really, really good bullish hammer candle and a lot of volume. I'm getting a call. It can't be that important. They can text me if they need to call me, right? That would make sense to me. Really strong volume and a nice bullish hammer candle. Bullish hammer candle forming on this 4 hour over the last 4 hours. Capitulation. Capitulation. Yeah, this definitely looks like capitulation to me. So like right here, you guys see this? See the similarities? Strong volume on this drop, strong volume, pretty damn high volume. This is pretty impressive. In the grand scheme of things, it's nothing too insane, but I do like having all of this volume. You said the Binance one. Binance also looks good, man. They both look really good. Okay, let's talk about this real quick. That's actually a really good good question. Andres, okay? Andres brought up a really good question, okay? Hey, RTBro, what profit we are going to get if most people are 15% negative because of the dump? All right, so I need you guys to pay attention and listen really quick, okay? Need you to pay attention really closely here, okay? The market doesn't give a shit how much you're in profit or not, okay? It does not matter, right? You should not matter at all. It doesn't matter what your portfolio was up here. The important thing is now we're down here, okay? You need to completely ignore everything that happened up here because now we're down here. This is our current state, okay? If you try to remember and really start focusing on how much you had last night and whatever your portfolio balance was or any of that stuff or when you entered and all that, you are going to make some very big mistakes, okay? So instead, you need to focus on what the market is giving you right now. This is what you need to be focusing on. Don't look at anything else but this, okay? If the market starts collapsing, you sell, right? If the market looks weak, you sell. If the market looks strong, you buy. If you're on support, you buy. If you're going to resistance, you sell, right? You follow those rules no matter what, because if you don't, you're going to do what's called revenge trading, and then you're just going to get burned very harshly. Yeah, I lost a ton of money last night, but guess what? Is what it is, right? Why does the volume keep going up? On here, why does the volume go up? So the volume goes up when you have a massive amount of buyers and sellers, right? So that's what it means. There's a lot of whenever you have a lot of volume, that means you have a lot of buyers and sellers. You have people who are buying and selling the market because every buyer requires a seller, every seller requires a buyer. That's why I don't like the terminology buy volume or sell volume. I just don't like that term because every buyer has a seller, every seller has a buyer, right? There is no buy volume or sell volume. There's always an equal amount of buyers and sellers, right? So you can have bullish volume and also you have bearish volume. There's nothing wrong with that, right? So like right here, you have a lot of bullish volume. And the way you can tell is because you look at where the spike in volume comes at, and then you look at what the candle formed, what candle it formed during that volume spike. Like for instance, okay, this is called a bullish hammer. Bullish hammer candlestick, right? And how we can tell is because we have a long wick to the downside and we have a very short body. Generally, I would like to see it as a green candle on here, but it's not necessary, right? Like even on their example right here, this right here, hammer with long lower shadow. I call it a wick. He calls it a shadow. Either way, right? Bullish hammer. Okay, now we go over here. Bullish hammer. See that? Bullish hammer. Bullish hammer. Okay. High volume on the bullish hammer means this is a significant volume. This is a significant candle. That's what it's going to tell you. Anytime you have high volume, you need to pay extra attention to what happened during that period of high volume. So you had a drop, high volume. You had a really, really good buyback on very high volume. And then the what's called an engulfing candle or a large body candle had, again, even higher volume than the drop candle. That's a really good sign. Now, over here, let's look at what we're happening over here, okay? We had really strong impulse, a lot of volume, right? Now, what's happening right here? This looks like maybe a bull flag, right? Could it be? I mean, I think it makes a lot of sense to me. I'm going to go over here and say maybe it's like a bull flag sort of style, right? And look right here, even this volume spike happened because we had a massive buyback, right? This is a really, really healthy looking structure right here. This is very healthy. And not only that, if you want to really dive in here, look what we have. Okay. We have this change in market structure. See that? Do you guys see how this works, right? We have a change in market structure on the low time frame. So as long as this holds up, this is going to be a change in market structure, okay? We came up here, found resistance, broke above, retested support. This is perfect, right? We talk about this all the time. Bullish market structure. We now have official bullish market structure on the low time frame of Bitcoin. Okay. See this right here, right? Breaker, come back up, test it, retest to the upside, right? And we even have a pup to the upside as well. This is actually really gorgeous. I like this a lot, actually. The more I look at it, the more happy I am at it. So on here, now that we have the support reclaimed, right? The loss of this is pretty easy. If you get a close below 43,475, that would be a loss in market structure, right? So right now, this is a great opportunity to add position into Bitcoin. Great opportunity. Why? Because we have a clearly defined support resistance level. Okay. What would I target? Let's see. This is going to be our next target level right here. Oh, man. I wish I had fiat just chilling. I would love to play this. Actually, I don't think I would. I think I'd be happy with the way it is. So this should be a resistance. So what we're going to do is if you wanted to play this, right, you could do something like this to where long position, enter now, stop below here, target up here. I'd probably do a little lower. See that? Support, resistance, flip with an easy invalidation point. This is beautiful. Whew. This is, I'm going to tag everybody. This is really good. Yeah, so this is a really, really good location. No one on the planet can predict what the masses are going to do. Really, Chris? Well, I disagree, because I think I predicted it pretty damn well. But, all right. I mean, to each his own, man. All right. So, yeah, this is a very clear invalidation. This is a very clear level to play on crypto. As you can see, right? 15-minute level, come back up here, tested it, come back above, reclaim. And I drew it out right here as well. Okay? So, all right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, cool. All right, let's keep going. What else we got? So yeah, you guys can see. I hope this makes a lot of sense of what's going on. So in the higher time frame, where we at? Targeting that. Oh, and why did I focus on here right here? Because this is the next hourly candle, right? So you come up here to the next hourly, you get above there. Next level's right here. Get above there. On a breakdown. All right, so these are our major levels we need to be aware of on the way up. I appreciate that, Jacob. Thank you, man. Yeah. 4 hour. It's up here. Gosh. So maybe this was all right. Okay, so Bitcoin, I think I've pretty much beaten this to a pulp. Oh, I did want to talk about one more thing on here, though. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. There's a lot of stuff going on. So let's focus on this. So did I really draw that out? Son of a gun. That's crazy. All right. Why is this such an important level, right? Why is this the area I'm targeting? Well, because this is the area of the previous range, okay? Range deviation. Examples. Ooh, no, wrong. Trading. I'm getting into math. I don't like math. Math is way too hard. Range trading examples. Let's do this. Let's see what you got, Investopedia. Give me some good stuff here. Ranges, okay, good. I want to retest. Range breakout, retest. Here's a good example. All right, so this is what we're looking at, okay? We have a massive range that was established, okay? And what happens is it breaks out of the range, it comes back down and does a retest of the previous range, okay? So range established, range, break out of the range, comes back down, does a retest of the range for a continuation higher. That's what I'm expecting on Bitcoin, okay? And the reason why I'm looking at that is because this is a very clear range, and you can tell it's a very clear range. We have this massive deviation from the range, but this is a clear range. Okay, you guys can see, like, it's very clear. Well, we're now coming back in to do a retest of the range before my assumption of a break to the upside. That's what I want to see. So we have a range. We broke out of the range, come back down, retest the bottom of the range, continue the upside. Okay, So if you want to look at this just being a ranges, like it makes a lot of sense. I want to clear a chart, but I want to clear the right one. I have so many Bitcoin charts, it's insane. That's maybe all we got. Either way, it's no big deal. So yeah, that's my overall thought process what I'm looking at. And I think this is the best level for the range because this is the daily close, the first daily close of this range, and it actually interacted really well with this daily breaker. So that's why I really think this is a very significant level. Now the range can technically be all the way up to like maybe here. I think it's possible. Oops, one more higher. The range could technically be right here. This could be the range high, which means we only have about 42,000, which is what I know. I think Ace was talking about 42 being a major support level. I would not be surprised if we get here, and that is the retest of the range. I don't think we've accomplished the retest yet, but I think we're getting close. Now, here's the other thing to look at. You go over here. You have these right here, okay? Do we close it? Ah, not yet. God, come on, close this damn candle. These are some lows that happen, and this is called a swing low. Okay, this is where we found support the previous time. We come back down, made another low. These are two levels of what we call liquidity. Okay. I want this on the left. Liquidity. Okay. No, I want the left as well. Oh, I don't want the other eye, the small eye. I'm being very picky about this, but I want it to look right. All right, liquidity. So I want to see these two liquidities get tapped, right? And then what you want to see is what's called a swing failure pattern. Swing failure pattern trading. Okay, swing failure pattern trading. And what that means is you have a low established right here, right? So you come down here and you break below that low and you tap it. And then what you do is after you tap it, you go to the upside. Now, why is this an important level? Okay, why are swing failure patterns so important? Yeah, so think of it like this. All right, think of it like this. I am hypothetically, let's say I'm a whale, okay? And I want to buy a stupid amount of Bitcoin. Stupid amount, okay? I'm talking like thousands and thousands of Bitcoins at a time. Like, let's say I want to go in there and I want to buy 2,000 Bitcoin, hypothetically, all right? Well, I have options, right? I can go onto an exchange. I can just buy all the Bitcoin in the exchange. But the problem is that you're going to essentially wipe out all the liquidity on the exchange. That means that you're going to be buying some Bitcoin. Like, let's say you're right here and you want to buy you want to buy some Bitcoin. Okay, like right here, you want to buy Bitcoin. So if you buy Bitcoin, if you just go in there and you just drop an order for 2,000 Bitcoin instantaneously, like, you have options, right? You could either market buy. And if you market buy all that Bitcoin, what's going to happen is you're going to wipe out all the liquidity on the exchange. What that means is you're going to take all the Bitcoin that's selling for 47,300. You also take all the Bitcoin that's selling for 47,500. You also take all that's selling for 47,700, and probably up here at a very high level, right? So you may be buying Bitcoin at 49,000 whenever the actual market price is 47,000, just because you're buying so much of it on that exchange. So what happens is you're buying at a very high price, okay? All right, that doesn't really make sense because I'm a whale. I like to make money, right? So, okay, I don't want to do that. That doesn't make any sense. I don't want to wipe all the liquidity on the exchange. Instead, I want to go in there and place a limit buy. I'm just going to place my limit buy on there, and I'm going to let people sell into my position. Okay, well, if you go on an exchange and you say, I want to buy 2,000 Bitcoin at $47,332, okay, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think anyone is going to sell you Bitcoin at 47,332 and just sell into your massive, massive wall you've made? No, they're not going to. Okay, they're not going to sell you that Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what you do. If you are a whale and you have that much power and you can make it happen, let's say it's like closer down here. Let's say like at 44,000, okay? Instead, what you do is you want to do what's called a swing failure pattern trade. So instead of buying the Bitcoin, what you do is you intentionally make the price drop. My audio's having issues? What? Is it fine? Okay, maybe. I mean, my microphone is like stupidly expensive, so I hope it's not. I'll be really pissed. All right, but let's say that you do have a lot of Bitcoin, okay, and you own a lot and you're trying to buy a lot more, okay? You can make it to where the price, you actually push the price down. You push the price down. You intentionally push the price down, and you have a massive wall of like 5,000 Bitcoin, right? And it's at like 44,300, okay? And as you push it down, people are scared of you, right? So the market keeps dropping. People are like, oh my God, look at that huge sell wall. Look at that huge sell wall. Oh my God, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. And you keep dragging that sell wall right down, 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 down. And eventually you get to a point to where you get to a swing low, okay? A lot of people, what they do is they have their stop losses set right here. They have the stop losses set right here. Or people who are in short positions will take profits at this point, okay? So what you do at this point is you bring it all the way to the bottom, and then what you do is you start limiting out your buys, and you limit out buys all up in this sucker, okay? And you just make it to where I'm gonna buy. Wait, what's the hotkey for it? Alt H. Oh, that wasn't it. Oh, it was Control H. Okay, and now you just place all these market buys or all these limit buys right here. So as you make it drop below here, and everyone freaks out and scrambles because this massive sell wall is coming down on them and all hope is lost and everything else, you're actually going to have all your buys right here, and they're going to sell you their coins at dirt cheap prices. They're going to sell your coins to you. And as they're selling it into you, once you have loaded up all your positions, what do you do with your sell wall? Right? Your sell wall, you have this massive sell wall. You're just dragging down this massive sell wall that's, huge. What do you think you do with that sell wall once you've gotten all your bids filled? Make it go away. Make it go away. You got all your bids filled. You make that sell wall go away, and the price now pops to the upside because that sell wall is no longer there. You just made all these people sell you all their Bitcoin for dirt cheap, and then you take away the sell wall and you pop on the upside. Okay? And that's called a swing failure pattern. So right at these bottom liquidity pools, this is what happens. They'll push it down, push it down, push it down. They'll tap that liquidity, make you sell them all their coins for dirt cheap, and then they'll accelerate back to the upside. Happens all the time. It's brutal. It's absolutely brutal in a crypto market, right? And that's how it works. So I hope that makes sense. But yeah. All right. Cool. All right, what are we looking at? Let's see how our trade is holding up so far. So if we were to enter this trade right here, so if you were to enter this trade, I don't know if you did or not, but let's say you enter this trade right here at $43,748, okay? And we did this live on stream, right? You would now be up around $200 so far. So good for you, right? And why do you enter it? Change of market structure, right? Change in market structure. Sit. All right. What else? So yeah, swing failure pattern. And so the reason why I brought that up is because right over here, you have these two liquidity taps, right? Liquidity tap. Came down here, tagged the first one. Then after it popped the upside, look at this. Came down here, popped the liquidity to the upside. Then what happened? They're like, oh, wait, there's more bearish pressure. Let's keep doing it again. So they once again drug the price right back down and once again pop that liquidity. And what they do? Sell me all your Bitcoin for 42,000 or under 42,000. And then once I've filled up all my positions, what do? I no longer take away that sell pressure and it pops the upside. There you go. Swing failure patterns. Absolutely just brutal. Absolutely brutal. And that's why this stuff works. Yeah, this is a really bullish close. I like it. Yep, really bullish 4-hour close. Swing failure pattern is now official on the 4-hour at least. Yep, these are brutal patterns. Absolutely brutal. Donor chat, how are we doing? The interaction. Yep, I agree. Ace is nailing this stuff. Oh, what does capitulation mean? So let's talk about that. An action of surrendering or ceasing to resist an opponent or demand. Okay, surrender, submission, yielding, succumbing, right? Basically what this means is to surrender or give up. All right, that means that everyone's given up, all hope is lost. That's what a capitulation means. Whenever you have just massive hope, all hope is gone in the market. The best example of a capitulation candle that I can think of is right back here in March of 2019 or 2020. Okay, best example of capitulation candle. All right, look at the volume compared to the previous day. We had a, how much of a drop was it? %50 drop in the span of 24 hours. Okay, massive drop. But look at the volume. Okay, all hope is lost. Everyone's given up. Massive right across the board. Everyone's assuming that the market is dead. Okay, this is when everyone just gave up and said, well, I'm going to go away and never go into crypto again. Okay, mass capitulation. Now they happen on other time frames and other scales on different variants of the degrees. Like right here, this capitulation candle. Okay, why? Look at this. Massive giving up. Everyone's like, oh God, all hope is lost. Massive volume. Everyone's just done. Okay, were we done? No, of course not, right? We know it's not done. It's not over yet. But a lot of people at the time frame gave up on the market. And if you go to crypto Twitter, I'm just going to assume, go to crypto Twitter, I'm sure everyone's talking about how, you know, we're going to be going, everyone's calling for 14,000 and crap like that again, all right? That's what I want to see. I want to see people that are just completely losing. Fortunately, I don't follow a lot of people like that, but I'm sure a lot of people are out there freaking out saying, oh my God, all hope is lost. the crypto market's done and over. I mean, even on my Discord server today, it was pretty. It's not funny by any means, but it's definitely telling. Whenever a lot of my people who have been on the chat for a long time are like, "Oh my God, it's over. I'm so done." I'm like, guys, like really, like we expected this. This is something you should have been planning for, right? So capitulations are very violent. They do happen. And that's usually the best place to buy. Ugh. All right. I don't know. Yep. Bitcoin looks fine. All right, let's go to our other coins. Let's see how DXY and stuff's doing. Haven't checked in a while. Ooh, Bitcoin dominance is dropping harshly. There we go. Look at this sucker. I like seeing that. DXY is also dropping. I like seeing that. Dow Jones is dropping pretty harshly too. Not happy about that, but that's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with this. Yeah. Okay. Total 2. 3 days are holding up fairly nicely. I want to see this drop. So here's the thing, okay? DXY is an inverse of the stock market in crypto, okay? Like they basically work independently of each other, because if people are cashing out stocks, where are they putting it into? Dollars, right? If they're cashing out crypto, where are they putting it into? Dollars, right? If they are buying crypto, what you're basically doing is you are selling your dollars for crypto, right? That's how you want to look at it. You're selling your dollars for crypto, and vice versa, right? So you can be selling your dollars for stock market, or for stocks, and that's one way to look at it. So usually they act independently, but one thing to take notice of is that DXY is dropping, the dollar's dropping, as the stock market's dropping, which is interesting. I really don't know what to think about this right now. Crypto's doing okay. We're holding up pretty nicely. So is it possible that people are selling their dollars for crypto right now instead? Maybe they see the opportunity in crypto, how we've lost so much, etc. Let's look at gold, AUX. Wait, is it AUX? No, it's I forgot what gold is. Oh, that was silver. Okay, gold's getting a little bit of strength today. A little bit, not much though. A lot of volume. Silver. I thought it was AUX. I could have swore that was it. No, that's not right. I'm not sure. I'm just curious where the money is going into, because the money is certainly not going into stocks. So where is this money going into? Let's look. How are our cryptos doing? How's Hbar doing? I haven't checked that in a little while. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. I'm okay with that. How's Ethereum doing? Not bad. Whoa! Cardano, what? Cardano is up on the ratio today? What? Misi Go? Oh my gosh. What is happening? All right, so this is a great example, guys. All right, like, just because crypto as a whole is crashing doesn't mean you won't find winners out there, right? Oh my gosh, Misi Go, what are you doing? Is this price discovery for it? No, okay, cool. Wow. Misi Go is on a freaking roll today. Why? I own some. I don't own a lot, but I own some. That's good. We're 15% up today, guys, on Misi Go. Do you believe that? Why? Why is this happening? 3 day? No, I don't think that's it. No. That can't be it. Okay. I have a theory. My theory is this was a 618 extension, the 618 level, and we broke above the 618. That's my I don't have anything to base it off of. That's my guess though. Let's see. Fairly accurate. Fairly accurate. I don't know. I mean, we didn't really touch it entirely. We got close to it. I think that's it. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's because we're breaking above 618. Huh. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it's popping off so hard. Let's look at the BTC pairing, see if we get any clues. Let's do the exact same thing. I'm actually curious here. Let's see if we both above the 618. Maybe that's the reason why. I want to say that's probably a nailed it. Yep, there it is. All right, so this is what happened here. Let's look at this. So, I want you guys to take notice of this. It's actually a really important test, or this is like a really important lesson to learn here. So, this right here is what can happen when you get above the 618. Okay, so as we talked about, I made a video on this a few days ago. YouTube. Go over here into my channel. Go over here on the videos. I made a video on, where's it at? What is going on? Oh, Doge. Right here. Free high success trading tool. 100%. I love it, right? Only 245 views because y'all don't watch shit when I release it. And I say that in general. But if it's like a educational video, most people don't watch it. So here's what it is. But either way, I talk about in here Fibonacci extensions and retracements and how important they are and yada, yada, yada. And sure enough, this is a great example of it. So what happened? Well, we came up here, came to the golden pocket retracement, fell down, came back up here again, fell down, and then, however, we have accelerated the upside. Why? We broke above the 618. Perfect. We broke above the golden pocket. This is perfect. Apparently, everyone's just leaving the stock market and going and buying a Misigo. Cool. I have some, not a lot though. I'm curious. Let me see how much I have. Not bad. I own some, not a ton, but enough. All right. All right. How much of it? Oh, an hour and 18. Not too bad. All right, cool. We ain't done yet. Make that very clear. Yeah, this is exactly what happens to get above the 618. It's very bullish, very healthy. It's what I've been expecting to see on a lot of altcoins once we get above those levels. So this is a great thing to look at, guys. Like, this is exactly what you... oh, OMG. Take note how OMG has broken higher despite the drop. This is because it broke above the 0.618. God, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Where are we at now? Okay. Well, let's look at other alt. Let's look at other alts. See what else is holding up very nicely. Well, ooh, okay. All right, all right, all right. Let's look at some XRP. Okay. This is a channel we've been forming for a while. I don't like how we broke it below here, but we haven't lost it yet. However, look at what we just retested. 200 moving average for the first time in a long time. Awesome. Very, very happy with that. And also, we're back inside the channel. I'm going to go. I'm still not sure. All right. Thanks, Siri. Appreciate it. All right. What is going on? XRP. XRP. Oops. We are also very healthy. I like this a lot. So XRP looks really good. Let's start going through some other ones. I'm gonna start diving into some of my favorites and any ones that really just pop out. XTZ this came down, and this 3-day was really strong. It's real weekly. It is. It really stands out. Let's find some really good opportunities out there. No. Yeah, let's dive in here. Let's find some good opportunities. That's my main goal right now. Let's see if we can find anything. 1 inch. Nope, absolutely not. This chart looks garbage right now. Absolute garbage. Well, not as bad as I thought it was going to look. No, still nothing that really gets me interested. ADA. Let's look at how this one looks. Well, very clear retest. Very clear retest. Can we narrow things down on here? I don't think we really can, honestly. 4 hours been holding up as a very strong level of contention. And we've lost it. That sucks. Where does this come from? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, ADA looks beautiful right now. That's why you guys can see, like, there's a point of breakdown. These charts are making me really bullish right now. I really, really like the way they look. BTC pairings are really giving us a lot of clues as to what's going on. XRP, Ethereum, already talked about Ethereum, BTC. Hbar is still doing okay. Not that concerned. We retested and reclaimed the 200 so far on this one, which is a good sign. I like seeing that on Loom. Overall, I'm still pretty happy with this. 3-day? No, what is this level? What is this level? I don't understand what this level is. 4-hour, daily? Not a daily. Monthly? I bet it's a monthly. No, weekly? There it is. Okay, so weekly. Okay, this is still significant. All right, never mind. Weekly breaker. It's me resistance. Oh, god dang it. Come on, man. You said Matic looks really good? Prove it. Prove it. Why do you think this chart looks good? Explain it to me. I want to know what your thoughts are. Why do you think Matic looks good? Sleeping Giant, but why? I'm not saying I disagree with you. I just want to see what your thoughts are. VRA, I'll do Veracity. I never actually added any. I really wanted to. I just never really did it. Yep, this was significant. Damn it. All right, so look at this interaction, okay? Drew this triangle out, and I said I was expecting it to break to the upside because of how bullish the market looked. And as you can see, we absolutely did not break to the upside, broke to the downside. And we also got a pretty clean retest in the downside. So that sucks, okay? I think Veracity still looks fine on the high time frame, but it definitely was... My bias did not play out the way I was hoping, so... Do an update real quick. All right. So yeah, so essentially the breakdown on the triangle does not look very good. Not very happy with that at all. So that sucks. But overall, this link is fine. Yeah, nothing too crazy on there. Got a chat. What is this? Hey, mate. Thanks for everything. Let's see. Let's do it here first. OMI is flying or OMG? I think OMG is flying, right? What the hell's OMI? I mean, it's doing pretty well. OMI is doing well. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about this one. I did not. So here was my thoughts on OMI. Let me find it real quick. Okay, very little price history and no BTC pairing. However, I love the structure. The parabolic movement is very nice and has interacted with the breakers very well. Risky, but looks good. So let's look at this real quick. Well, you guys see the parabolic movement still there, right? it still looks fine. Like, I don't have any issue with this. The problem is, of course, is that we don't have a BTC pairing to look at. But this was a very clean retest. Again, a very clean retest of this previous high. It's not as, like, I don't know what the right word is, but it's not a clean retest. So again, I'm still gonna mess with it because it doesn't have a BTC pairing, but overall I think it still looks fine. All right, let's do some chart requests on here. Hey, give me a sec. I'm gonna take my dog out. All right, I got my good boy back. Here he is. Look at little Linkster, or not Link, Loki. He's a good boy. All right, cool. All right, Loki. He's still hanging out with me today. We're over here to watch crypto burn. It's great. All right. Yeah, I think ADA looks good. OMI still looks good. Where are we at? All right, cool. So, let me go ahead and restart this. Perfect. All right, hey, go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done it already, guys. Like, I think right now I have 19 likes. It's not bad. I'm okay with that. But yeah, really appreciate you guys do some more. It gives YouTube gives YouTube the signals. This is good content and pushes it out. Oof, it's a nasty rejection. All right, let's go ahead and go through my chart requests. So if you are a subscriber, then you are able to put, or not a subscriber, if you are a Patreon member, then you can place recommendations or chart requests in here, and I will go through them. Now, if you are not a subscriber, you can become a member of the channel, and then you can do it. Or you can also just super chat me $20, and then I'll go ahead and do it as well. So that's how I'm doing this today. So if you want to do a chart request, whatever you all want to do. Where's my comments at? What are my comments? Why are they not showing up? This is so weird. Am I messing this up? Live chat. Oh, there we are. All right. Let's do this. Anything on Twitter? Nope. Ooh, CJ. Yep, I agree. 100%. CJ's a hell of a trader. If you guys are not following him, IRN Crypt on Twitter, you guys are seriously messing up. He's one of the guys that taught me how to trade. Really, really, really good trader. Okay, I'm telling you guys, he's really, really good. Rec Proof, another awesome one. What is he retweeting it for? Son of a bitch. No way. He does this crap, man. He's such a good trader. I'm telling you, it's insane. So he made this post back in early September. And here's what he does. He just comes on here and he retweets his previous post. And son of a gun, look at this crap. He called it. Now, why did he call it? 3-tap setup. This was one of his main things he looks at. 1 tap, a break below, and then another tap, and a continuation to the upside. He does it all the time. So 3-tap setup is like his primary thing. Very, very good range trader. So his name is Rect Proof. I've been following him for a pretty damn long time. Yeah, he's on point though. He's really, really good. Wow. I'm really blown away by a lot of these people. Oh, Trader Cause, another awesome one. Another one he actually taught me as well. All right, cool. I'm going to stop getting distracted. Focus on chart request. Let's do it. Adam. ATOM. Adam. Well, weekly breaker. I think it's safe to say we broke down. Yes. Sucks that it happened, but it's nice to see that it's working out. So what are we targeting? Huh. What a... I bet I got a 12-hour here, don't I? Yes, I do. 12-hour support. There it is. 12-hour support. Go down. We lose that. We go down to our daily, weekly, 3-day support. Which also, another support. All right, so this is going to be like this. We're either going to, and you know, it's always a deal of probabilities, right? We're either going to bounce from here, or we're going to fall through here and then bounce. Okay. Those are my two biases right now. Adam. All right, so the weekly breaker held up like a champ as expected. We have bounced off of this 12-hour support. Lose this, and we have a combination of supports below us. Two paths are the two most likely paths are defined, are shown. Yep. I got a comment on here. Oh. Let's see. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. I think that makes the most sense. I think it's fine. Honestly, it does. I already commented on. Oh, ask RTBro. Yeah, I'll do that actually. I'm gonna finish this up. I don't want to leave her in a bad situation. Let's look at this. Oof. God, this is such an aggressive chart. Look at this massive, massive movement. Oh my gosh, man. Such a disgusting looking chart. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Is this as bullish as I think it is? Oh, mama. What is going on? How did I miss this? Whoa. All right, guys, look at this. This looks really bullish, actually. The more I look at it, the more bullish it becomes. So this line expanded out. This trend line is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Wow, I don't even know where the hell I don't even know where the target. So I want to target right here. Nope, that's it. That's my target. Holy hell, I cannot believe I'm even considering this. All right, so no kidding, guys. There's nothing stopping us right now on Omisi Go. This breaker, if we get above it, 300%. Wow. What is going on? Why is my deal going off a million times? All right, we have broken above. All right, so I can't believe I missed how bullish this looks because yeah, it looks really, really bullish. All right, like there's no doubt about it. We have broken above the falling trend line, broken above the golden pocket zone. The last level of serious resistance is going to be the already tested weekly breaker. Get above that, and there really isn't more resistance until we get to the next weekly block. This one could accelerate in a big way. All right, so basically we get above there. We're targeting there. I don't really see anything else stopping us at this point. So yeah, this is serious. Let me look at the BTC pairing as well, because obviously we can't just ignore that. But yeah, this looks really, really good. Oh man, this is disgusting. Let's look at the coin market cap. I'm curious to see. I'm gonna do some research on Missy Go. I might 67. That's not bad. I might be increasing my position on a Missy Go. Oh man. I don't like how we're currently inside this golden pocket. This is the only thing that has me any sort of doubt right here. This is it. USD pairing. I am not as bullish yet because we haven't busted above the golden pocket zone that I laid out. However, we are this close. Amisi Go, man. I'm telling you guys, this looks really, 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 really good. Like no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Whew. All right. Damn. Yeah, guys, that looks really, really sexy. I am that close to going full on bull mode on Amisi Go. That close. I'm not there yet, but man, I'm close. How much do I own again? I'm really curious here. I got to take off my hide portfolio balance on the Accointing app. In case you guys, if you guys are not using Accointing, you guys are seriously, seriously missing out. It is a really, 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 really cool app. Oh, I lost my butt today. Oh my god. That sucks. Ew, I need more. Yeah, I need more. Yeah, Cointing's a really, really cool app. I have information right here. This is where I get all of my portfolio balances and do all my taxes and all that craziness. And I have a referral link in the description below, so check that out. It's really, really neat. I would show it on stream, but it has like all of my price history and everything else on there, and I just really don't feel comfortable doing that. So, but yeah, really good. 100%. I like this one a lot. All right, next, where are we at? So Misi Go looks really good. Oh, I'm gonna go back to my YouTube comments. I'm probably going to be adding me some Amisi Go, though. I think it looks really way too good right now to just avoid. Okay, what else is looking good on the BTC pairings? I don't like that. Dash is back inside this monthly breaker. That's interesting. Dash has been a really interesting chart, man. This has been very easy to play. So like it's bound. The way it's interacting with trend lines has been very interesting. Like you have this trend line, that trend line, that trend line, below it, got above it, lost it, retest, collapse. Like this has been a very solid lesson in yeah, it's a very solid lesson in trend lines. So I don't think it's that bullish yet. We still got some work to do before we get there. All right. Holy Brisante. All right, buddy. If you want me to do a chart request, become a member of the channel. You can do a $20 super chat, or you can become a Patreon subscriber and throw it in my chart request section, and join this massive list of people I have to get caught up on. So I can't skip these guys. It's just it wouldn't be really fair. Cake, the BV, thy BV. Is it thy BV or thy BV? Curious. All right. Cake's one I've recently started looking at. Let's see how it looks today. Gotta find my right charts for it. God, I look at so many damn charts. Cake. Tether. Oh. 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 Wow. Yeah. This looks pretty damn good. Can't argue with this, guys. Like, that is a massive, massive, massive triangle. As we know with the total 2, symmetrical, there it is. Thank you for checking my grammar and spelling Grammarly. Not sponsored, but would gladly accept it if they ever offered. Yeah, massive triangle established, very, very clear levels. This is easy, guys. You can't get any easier than this. Still above 200. USD T pairing. All right. Another solid retest, the 200 moving average daily. Not much else to say. Looks good, but it's still waiting on a direction to be chosen. So we're just waiting at this point. I think it's going to break to the upside. Honestly, I do. But we don't know yet. So be patient. We don't know. Looks good. Looks good. All right. That's cake. Now let's go and check out donor chat. Nope. Chart request. One. Harmony. Of course. Let's do some harmony. O-N-E. Oh, man. That's a hell of a drop. This had a rough day today, huh? One really had a rough day. Wow. That sucks. Well, we didn't actually touch this. We got close. We never actually touched it, though. So it's still untested. Still acting as support level. Point of breakdown. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Stop eating your damn pad. God, this dog's so weird. He's eating his pad. I'm pretty sure ETN is on one of the chart requests. I'm not sure where it's at. I'm pretty sure it's on here. So I'm sure waiting a while, but yeah, I'm sure it will. Daily breaker or weekly breaker. Do I want to call it a breaker or point of breakdown? I think it's a point of breakdown. It's basically the same thing. So one thing I like about this, it's pretty easy to see how people can definitely classify this as some sort of a cup and handle. Pretty easy to see. Cup and handle pattern. There you go. It wants to load. So it's pretty obvious cup and handle. See how you have sort of a rounded bottom, a handle, rounded bottom, handle. Yep. Pretty obvious level. I think we're going to have a lot of cup and handles on these altcoins. We look at them now. We were definitely having a lot of rounded bottoms, and now we're starting to have some handles that have been forming. This actually looks like a pretty solid level right here. I think we're just inside support. Like, I think everything in here is support level. I really do believe that. Also, since we had a nice gradual rise, we have a lot of support that we can base off of. We have a lot of support that was built up on the way. Okay, so yep, lots of support that's built along the way. I have a ton of charts like that, brother. I promise you. I'm still really, really bullish in the market. Make that very clear. It's really hard for me to turn my bias. I've been doing this for the last like hour and a half looking at charts, and I still am just as bullish as when I started. Make that very clear. So I was thinking maybe I'm going to change my bias because of whatever, but nope, still looking good. I'm still confident. I don't like this loss, but wait, what was this level? Daily? Technically, no. What level is this? No, that's not a right level. This is not a right level. I don't know why I did that. This is not a solid level that I drew out. So I don't know why I did this. I really have no idea. But for some reason, I classified this entire region as a breaker instead. No, this would be a breaker, and this is a breaker. They're both breakers, individual ones. They're not a single breaker. That's not right. So I don't know why I did it like that. Probably isn't going to make that much of a difference, but it's still something of taking note of. I don't know why I did it like that. Well, we're still technically, we haven't lost either level. That's important. Not only that, we have this level that's acting as a support. I expect us to lose these two levels tonight. This is a weekly level, right? No, monthly? No, daily? What the hell is this? Daily. Oh, wow. So I don't want to lose this daily level. That'd be really crappy. Also have this as well. Man, there's a lot of support right here, guys. There's a ton of support. And the scary part is there's a lot of support right here that will turn into resistance in 7 hours if we don't make a movement. Yep. That's my thoughts right now, man. Like, there's a lot of support here, but like right now, we still have a ton. We're losing a lot of it. I don't like the bearishness of this chart. All right, let's look at the marketing. I don't know what we're looking at. Any more big drops? 43. How's my trade doing? My hypothetical trade if I jumped into it. Still holding up. My trade's still valid. We're still good. I like it a lot. How's Hbar doing? Still doing great. I'm still happy with it. What's this? Let me see. Go. Yep. Let's do this. Go to exchange percentage. Let's see which ones are the biggest losers and the biggest winners. Biggest winners, CL. CL is one of the major winners we've had today. Not major, few. How's the BTC pairing holding up on CEL? Do this. Oh, baby. So I want to see. Easy play. Easy play. Just got a notification on general. All right, cool. So, oh, hi, bud. How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Chart requests. Let's go back up here. All right, so one is done. Cartesi. People screaming. What do you mean? They don't know, like, they're just like freaking out. They don't know what's going on. I mean, this is pretty normal for crypto, man. I don't know what to tell you. This is pretty normal. So something to remember. I don't know how long have you guys been in the crypto market? Like how long have you guys been trading crypto or even like involved in crypto? Yeah, it's pretty nasty, but how long have you guys been in? So I want you guys to understand what my life cycle in this damn market's been. Let's go to BLX. I want you guys to see all the crazy. Okay, 4 years. There you go. All right, you actually have some experience in the crypto market. So I wasn't around for this one. I was around, no, 2013. I actually started getting involved in crypto around here. This is whenever I got involved. Wait, what's this? Yep, sure enough, right here. This is when I got involved in crypto, right here at this bull run. So, yeah, so I bought crypto. No kidding, all right? No kidding. I bought Bitcoin. I believe it was on Coinbase right here at 500. At 500, and I sold it for 800. I was so happy. I was like, oh my God, I did. I made all this money. I bought 5 Bitcoins at $500, and I sold it at 800. All right. So I was like, yeah, I made like, I think I made like $1,500 in profits, and I was super, super happy. And I took my money and I ran away, right? And I was like, haha, I got on the Bitcoin Ponzi, yada, yada, yada. I was like, oh, this is great, right? So then I stayed out of the market. I didn't play at all. I was like, oh, crypto's over, right? But I still was like involved a little bit, and I started watching. I remember the Mt. Gox crash and all that craziness. I think Mt. Gox happened here. When did Mt. Gox happen? Gox crash. When was that? 2014. Maybe my timelines are a little off. Yeah, okay, that was right. Okay, cool. Yeah, perfect. So I got in at 500, sold at 800, all right? And then the Mt. Gox crash happened. I remember that, man. I'm telling you, that was nuts. That was absolutely nuts, where 70% of all crypto in existence was like compromised. Oh, man, that was nuts, right? And the whole market collapsed, and I was watching, and I was like, oh, man, crypto's dead, y'all. This thing's done. And I started watching. I was following because I thought it was interesting, right? I was following. Started recovering, and I kept watching, and I kept thinking to myself, nah, it's going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down. And then over here, I really started to take notice. I was like, oh, this ain't stopping. And I kept doing this, and I wasn't even in at all. And then over here at right at $8,000, I FOMO'd in. I was like, I ain't missing out no more. I'm jumping in this sucker. Bought at 8,000. Rode this sucker all the way up to the moon, right? I was like, woo, it's going to go to $1 million. I can't wait, right? So went up there and obviously didn't go to 1 million. And then it crashed, right? And instead, the difference is that here I had that conviction where I'm never going to leave the market. I was like, I'm going to play this. Over here, I was just like, I'm just going to take my money and run. But over here, I was like, okay, I think something serious is happening. I'm going to stick around. And so what I did is I bought at 8,000 and I went to the top, fell, just started crashing, right? And this is when I started really learning how to trade. All of this right here. This is when I really, really started learning, really diving into it. I remember all these damn markets and ups and downs, everything else. And like, guys, this sucked. Oh, this sucked. This chop right here was just horrible. And then, of course, we chopped around. This is where I really grinded my teeth and learned how to trade in a bear market. And then we had the final capitulation. And this is whenever, I was trading through here and all this crap, everything else. But, like, these movements, I was in all of this. And I traded every single bit of it. So if you think that this right here is going to scare me away, got to get damn mind, man. This ain't that bad at all. Like, look at this. This is not that bad. All right. I've been through a lot worse. So I'm not stressing at all. So, oh wait, no, we're down here now, aren't we? Yeah. BLX is delayed. But either way though, guys, like you gotta understand, like this is, if this is your first bull run or whatever, your first bull run, first bear market, whatever you want to call it, I don't really care. But either way, like you guys have to understand, like this is it's not that bad, okay? So if you're watching someone and they're freaking the hell out and they're like, oh my God, it's over, like you really need to just turn that sucker off, all right? Like you need to turn that sucker off, because that means that they have no idea what they're doing. they are the absolute worst person in the world to be following right now. So yeah, you need to turn that shit off. So like all of these updates and stuff, like if you go to my Discord channel and all that crap, I've been updating all the price swings, all the expectations of what we're looking at and everything else. Like guys, all right, this is nothing outside of the ordinary for what you can find in crypto. All right, so you're in the right spot. I promise you. Just be patient, be calm, okay? Don't let your emotions get the best of you. You will be okay, all right? I've been doing this a long time, and this isn't anything that is completely unheard of, I assure you, all right? So yeah, all right, I don't know where I was at, but I just wanted to make sure y'all are tracking this. That's so funny, though, that people are freaking out, like on other channels. I want to be on there just to watch and laugh. But, I mean, it's definitely a little scary, but it is what it is, right? You got to keep your emotions in check. I lost my ass last night. Whew, baby. I did, man. But guess what? I've also won, or, I've not really won it, but I've gained a ton of money in the bull market. So I can't really complain. Crypto gods giveth and crypto gods taketh away. Last night, the crypto gods taketh away. So I'm just got to be around when they decide to give it back again. And make it clear, guys, I am not a holder. All right, massive difference, okay? I'm a trader, okay? If we do have some levels that get lost, like if we start losing this massive consolidation right here, if we lose 38,000, yeah, you're going to see me go into full bear mode. And then I'm going to show you guys everything I learned way back here and how to trade in a bear market, right? I'll teach you guys all of the strategies that I learned on how to trade in a bear market, all this nastiness. This is what I'm really, really, really good at, all right? Like, this is what I love doing. I love buying low and selling at golden pocket retracements. That's like that's the funnest stuff, man. I'm telling you, this is the best. Going high, going back low. Oh, what did I just do? right? So like selling at golden pocket retracements or selling at 382s or 0.5s and all that stuff. This is what I love doing, guys. I'm really, really good at this. So, you know, finding those major support levels, right? Buying at that, coming back up here, selling again, you know, all these bounces. This is the really, really good stuff. So I don't think we're there yet. Make it clear, I don't think we're there. But when it is time, I'll be ready. Look at this. Beautiful. Golden pocket retracement again. Interesting, right? From up here down to the bottom. Oh, there we go. Golden pocket retracement. Interesting. Isn't it weird how crazy this stuff works? Although it looks like it's absolute chaos, but it's absolutely very proportional. Look at that. Golden pocket retracement. What's this? I'm curious. I really don't know. Look at that. Didn't really reach it, but close. Golden pocket retracement. I'm telling you guys, it's nuts. You guys will love it. I love bear markets. They're the best. I do. I love bear markets more than bull markets. Because the cool part about bear markets is that you can go in this attitude where you don't trust anything. Every single bounce is going to be sold off. Everything. You don't trust anything. You're the most cynical person on earth. Have like the ultimate hatred towards everything in the market, right? And then what happens? You come over here. Then you have a major level that gets tested, like maybe the 200 weekly moving average, a level that hasn't been retested since essentially forever, way back here in 2015. And it comes up here. We finally retest it for the first time, and what happens? We bounce from it. Why? Because it's a major level, right? So there you go. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is me fun. I love them. I love bear markets. I really do. However, we ain't there yet, guys. Not there yet. But it's all right. Bear markets will freak you guys the hell out. Just get ready. It's gonna suck in the best of ways. Because here's the cool part, right? The cool part about this whole bear market stuff is, like, for instance, over here, my average entry on ADA is right here, 8 cents. Did I catch the bottom of ADA? Did I catch it at 2 cents? Nope. You know what I did? I waited till the bullish market structure, and I bought it 8 cents. Where's it at? Right there. 8 cents. Bought the retracement. Why would I buy there? Look, why would I buy 8 cents? Maybe because it's a golden pocket retracement? I don't know. Maybe. You guys see this? Like, seriously. Look. Pop the upside. Pop down. Golden pocket retracement. Look, I bought it what? 8 cents. Why would I buy it 8 cents? Because it's a golden pocket retracement. I'm telling y'all. You guys are going to love it. I'm telling you. I love bear markets. I really do. So, I'm selling my ADA. I sold a lot of my ADA right around $2.60, but I bought most of it at 8 cents right here. And why? Because I was patient like a shark, just swimming around the waters, waiting for blood in the water, right? You don't trust anything. You're just tearing shit up, tearing it up, and eventually you have a massive show of strength, and you wait for a retracement, buy it, and it just pops the upside. Beautiful. Damn. Good days. I love them. So, yeah, you guys are going to love it, though. Ethereum, my average entry is around $100. Around $100. Right about here. Why would it be $100? Maybe because you have this massive show of strength and retracement. I don't know. Maybe. Huh. Interesting, right? Damn. Nuts how that works, huh, guys? I'm telling you. You guys are going to, like, everyone's going to be freaking out, but when it's time, you'll know it's time. Yep, and I think I bought most of my, I think my Ethereum, I think it's around like 120 or so. But because, look, guys, like, I didn't buy the bottom. I waited until there's a show of strength, and I buy it right there. Right? What were the other big ones? Raven coin. I really good entries on Raven. Really good entries on Raven. I think I bought it at... God, what did I buy Raven at? Wait, there it is. There it is. Okay, I'm about to say it. No, this ain't right. There you go. Fractions of a penny, guys. I was buying it at fractions of a penny. Yeah. Raven got a good entry. Oh, Doge. Dogecoin, guys. I got amazing entries on Dogecoin. If you go over here, go into Dogecoin. Look. In the moment. Okay? Let's think about this. In the moment. What is this, 2020? No, we're going to go back further than that. What year is this? No, not nearly far enough back. Whatever, this works. But yeah, in the moment, like you can look at this, all right? Some of these indicators are actually really obvious, okay? Like look at this. In the moment, you can see this stuff, right? Like you can see the precision entries that you can get on this stuff, right? So I mean, you just wait for shows of strength and you wait for retracements, right? So my average entry on Doge is at 0.6 cents. Where's that? 0.6 cents. Oh, right here it is. Right? 0.6 cents, right? Why would I wait until 0.6 cents? Because that's a massive show of strength out of the bear market. Yep, and you just see what happens, right? So, oh man, y'all gonna love it. But the problem is most of y'all are gonna go away. All right, let's keep going with our chart request on here. We'll see donor chat, ETN, golden pocket. Do I agree? No. All right, so I see what he's doing here, and it makes sense to a certain extent. I don't like this though. I don't like this. It's not bad, I guess. So this is up to there. All right, so here's what he's doing. Let me show you guys this. I hope he's paying attention. Hey Malik, if you're in here, let me know. I'm curious. Are you doing, I'm curious on what you're doing here. Are you doing the entire weekly chart? I think that's what you're doing, actually. You want a weekly. Which is interesting if that's what you're doing. I don't know how I feel about this yet. Very bottom, very top. $382. Oh, wait, this is Ethereum. What am I doing? Oh my god, I'm screwing this whole thing up. I suck at this. ETN. There you go. Much. I was really confused on what the hell I'm doing. Is that what I'm looking at? What am I? Okay, I'm trying to understand. That was a daily chart. Okay, you're going from 41 down to 0.05 or 0.5. All right, let's look at this. Daily. Oops, wait, maybe. 0.05. And you said that it's the golden pocket retracement zone. Why? 0.5. 41. Yeah, 0.5. Why are our charts look so different here? You're looking at the log chart? I mean, even then, even on a log chart, it shouldn't change the actual numbers themselves. I don't understand why our charts look so much different. $786. Are you using the logarithmic Fibonacci ratios? Which is even more weird. Yeah, there it is. Fibonacci based upon, yeah. I don't know if I like that, man. I'm not going to lie. I don't know if I like that. I mean, does it technically make sense? Yeah, but I think it's a hell of a stretch, brother. I really do. I've never done this before. Okay, make that very clear. I've never used the logarithmic scale on here. So could it have significance? Yes, but I've never seen this, all right? The more important one to me, the more serious one, is that this looks like, from the top to the bottom, there's a retracement. Where did it bounce at? Golden pocket, right? So this looks like a golden pocket retracement that has bounced, or that is rejected at the golden pocket retracement, okay? Now, is it done? Is it over? Are we just like, oh, ETN's dead, it's never going higher? No, I'm not going to say that, right? But it's definitely concerning, right? So like this is my primary bias. This is why I'm in this trade in the beginning, or why I recommend this trade in the beginning. But, and I just noticed this, something to take notice of. Is this a falling wedge? Right? Is this a falling wedge at the top of our falling trend line? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is. I think it works really well, actually. So this is a falling wedge at the top of our falling trend line. So this is actually a very bullish sign. Okay? Very, very bullish sign at the top of resistance. So does your chart also work? Yeah, I got it. Did I not? No, I got it. Yeah, dude, I got it right here. I promise you, I did. I go right here, click on it. I know I move really fast, but yeah, I did it both. Wait, if I can click on it. Why is it not working on it? No, it's weird. So yeah, we have a rejection candle there, but we also have on the ET and BTC pairing a falling wedge as well. So I'm actually very bullish right now on this chart. I'm going to post this. I'm actually very bullish on 18 right now. Not for the same reason as you, but I am bullish on this chart. I think it does make a lot of sense. At the trend line, falling trend line resistance on ETN. Bullish market structure under resistance is actually extremely bullish, and a great sign for a continuation upward. Not too sure how valid Melik chart is due to using a logarithmic trend fib ratio. However, I will gladly accept the bullish confluence if it matches my bias. Winky face, because that's a very bad thing to do, right? You don't want to intentionally look for things that are just going to give you additional confluence, right? So you need to have your own trading styles and stick with it. And I have mine. And I personally don't use Fibonacci logarithmic trend lines on mine, but you know what? If it works, right? Can't get mad about that. Oh, just got a Patreon subscriber. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yeah, if you're watching the stream right now, make sure to message me on here, and I'll go ahead and move you over. Yeah, if you're a Patreon subscriber, I will absolutely move you over. Take a screenshot of your screen. I will put a screen cover on so no one can see our chat for a second, and then I will move you over so we can do chart requests and you get all the information. Vet. Oh man, I gotta focus, guys. I am way behind. I'm not getting anywhere, am I? All right, Cartesi. I don't know how I say it right, but I'm gonna say it like that. Cartesi token. Apparently, I already have it. Okay, this is it. Yep, there it is. Oof. Oh man, this is ugly. Ugly. Super ugly. Ugly. Oh man, this is nothing good about this chart. Show you guys. So here's what I'm looking for, right? I want to see it hold the golden pocket, okay? And it did originally. It held it, but then it fell back through. That's not a good sign. This entire little drop right here is really bad for this coin, okay? Now, if it held it, that'd be great, but we didn't, which is bad. So, all in all, that's not a good sign. I don't like to see that. So, yeah, it looks like crap. Oh man, hey, that's Elon Musk's new child, right? That's the name for it. I have no idea how to say it. I'm not even gonna try. But A12. First off, if you are Elon Musk is a child, can you please go ahead and subscribe to the channel? And you want to drop me and my wife a cool $1 million or $3 million, that'd be fantastic. However, I'm assuming you're not, but I have already done XRP. And it is on the Discord. I did an update right here. So check that out. But yeah, Cartesi, it dropped too far. I don't like the overall structure of that anymore. Let's see if we have anything else on here. So Fibonacci ratio went too low. Let's go to the daily. I'm going to annotate that. CTSI did not do it. Let's go up here. I think I already got this, didn't I? I'm pretty sure of it. I want to precision this if possible. Because, yeah, technically, this entire weekly breaker is going to act as some sort of support. But I don't really like how we have the massive area. It works. It does work. I'm probably going to have to stick with it. I really don't have any other options. Any bullishness here? Any falling wedges? Anything I can really work with? It's pretty shallow. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not. My microphone is messing up? What? How is my microphone messing up? So weird. Is this for everybody? Yeah, some people say my microphone's messing up. Others are saying it sounds fine. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, I don't understand why. Oh, there's Malik. Hey, buddy. How you doing? It's weird. Yeah, weekly breakers. All I really got. CTSI, BTC. Let's see if we had a decent retracement on here. I don't think we did, but I'm going to try anyway. Yep, too far. But 200 moving average. Oops. Um, all right. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and stat this one just because I don't like the mixed signals. If I don't have a clear read on it, I don't like to use them. I don't like to buy them myself. So Doge. Oh God, I don't want to look at this. Doge, Doge, Doge. Oh God. So all right, let's talk about Doge. Oh man, should have deleted that comment. Never looked at it. But either way, here we are. So let's talk about Doge. It fell through. It had bad. It just did not look good. So my bullishness on this coin is dead. I hate this coin once again, which is good because I felt dirty even like being bullish at all. And once again, it has failed me because that's what Doge does. It fails people. I'm not salty at all, if you can't tell. Let's see. Doge, Doge, Doge. God, look at this crap. Stupid ass. Stupid Doge, man. I don't understand how the hell this coin, it looks so bullish. Like this coin looked so bullish for a period of time. Incredibly bullish. And it has just completely failed in every single way. Is there any sign of hope for this damn coin? I just don't think there is. You have this decent reaction so far. It's not on a weekly, it's on a 3-day. Okay. So far, it's acting as some sort of a support level. God, I can't believe I was bullish on this damn freaking coin. I hate everything about this coin. I really do. Really? It's not showing drop frames. Let me look at this real quick. I'm checking my settings right now. Stream, YouTube looks good. It looks fine. Mic looks fine. Video looks fine. We're pushing out. See, I'm pushing out a very, very high quality. Reloaded, stream fix it. Okay, cool. Hey, try that. If it sucks, reload it. See if it refixes it, guys. I don't know. I've been streaming for 2 hours and 40 minutes though. Hey, so Girl with a Band, I'm gonna update. I'm gonna give you the same spiel I've given other people. If you want a chart request, you have 3 options. One, if you are a member of the Patreon, you can throw it in here, and I'm trying to knock out all of these. Or you can become a member of the channel, in which case I will front load it. Or you can do a what is it called? Do a super chat of $20, and I will do it immediately. I will drop whatever I'm doing at this moment and do any coin that you want me to. But those are your options. I have got to get caught up on some of these. So they've been waiting for a while. Yep, so Doge, that's where we're at right now. There's nothing bullish about this chart right now, guys. I don't see anything that's really giving me any signs of hope. Which, I'm happy to see this dog finally start to die. That being said, I'm actually have a pretty decent position in Doge, which sucks. No, there's just nothing good right now. So the only thing I see, we have a swing failure pattern, which is good. I like seeing SFPs. Yeah, I like seeing swing failure patterns. Damn, that's actually pretty important. Let's go to USDs, Dogecoin. You know, if we get above here, I have to be somewhat bullish. Um, if we close below 2 lines I have shown, I will go ahead and liquidate my position back to hating. All right, so this is what I get for ever being bullish on this stupid coin. It looks like garbage. I am exiting most of my position at the next exit pump. I want to see a swing failure pattern play out to give me hope that there will be an exit pump. If it closes below 2 lines I've shown, I will go ahead and liquidate my position and go back to never touching this coin again. God, I hate Doge. This serves me right though. It really does. This stupid coin. God. I just don't understand. How can a coin that's this garbage look so good here? And I'm telling you guys, this looked beautiful. Perfect setup across the board. One of the most bullish coins I have ever seen in my life. Like, not even kidding. And it just completely collapsed because this stupid damn coin can't do anything right. Oh man! All right, I'm done with this thing. I'm gonna wait till the exit pump, get out, and I'm just gonna leave the market. I'm so done with this. It looks horrible. Like this coin looks absolutely horrible now. So whatever. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm going to ban people who request this damn coin. I hate that damn. I hate this damn coin. I really do. All right, I'm done with it. Doge, you can f off. I'm done with you. It actually held up really well during this dump. Holy hell, it really did. Oh no, no, I'm not going back in. I'm done with Doge. I will never touch this coin again. All right, move on with my life. All right. Chart requests. Next one, Cope. This is actually interesting. I have seen a lot of news on this coin, or a lot of talk on this coin back in the day. Let's see if there's anything bullish here. I'm curious. Oof. Oh no. I'm afraid I'm going to find here. Okay, good. We did not get the golden pocket. That's a good sign, because that'd be a very bearish sign if we did get up there. Clean level here. Clean level here. This is going to be support, still support. Daily. I want to see it drop further. I think that'd be a really, really good buy here. Be a really good buy, actually. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Anything else I really see? Not really. I really don't see much. Let's do this. Let's do a retracement of the entire structure, or the next structure down, which came to the golden freaking pocket. Awesome. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. When you see stuff like this, like, it makes you really think this correction is done. Wow. There is no BTC pairing, so I don't. All right. There we go. Cope. Looks pretty damn good. Honestly, it does. Awry. ORAI. Let's do this. ORAI. ORAI. Let's find this. I know I've done it before. There it is. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. That is not good. Not good, not good, not good. Did we close below it? Nope. Oh, thank God. All right, good. Good, good, good. So this weekly breaker is still holding up. Okay, it's not beautiful, but it's still there. So because we've fallen below it, sucks, but we're still holding it good enough. So it's still gonna be support. Let's go to a 3-day level. Very clear resistance. So this is resistance because we have closed below the level. Okay. This is going to be support. No, this is the better support. This is support. I think this would be a really good buy opportunity. This would be a really good buy opportunity if we get it. This would be a good sell opportunity. Right now we're ranging between these two levels. So I want to see it get back above the weekly by the end of the week. It's pretty important. Loki's sleeping. He's snoring a little bit. So just so you guys are aware. Yeah, I think this is a pretty major level right here. I'm going to say range bound. ORAI. Do I have it on here? Yes. So the weekly support is still at support because we haven't gotten below it yet. Yeah. So that's where I'm at right now in ROAI. All right, let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and take a break, not to get off, but instead I'm going to go ahead and focus on the rest of the market and see what's going on, right? Let's see what's going on in the market. I haven't really done an update on like the overall low time frame, and make sure that my bias still looks good, because my bias is still that we're okay. We're going to keep dropping. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. DXY is dropping as well. Yes! Yes, this looks great. Awesome. I'm super happy about all of this. Literally all of this looks amazing. Dow Jones, are you collapsing? Yes, you are. You can keep dropping. I don't give a shit. The important thing is that our total 2 is still rising. Total still rising. DXY is dropping, which is amazing. The Bitcoin dominance is also dropping, which is once again amazing. Ooh, we had a nice little buyback actually. Ew, damn it. That's fine. Yes, this is good. Okay. Longs are still increasing. Shorts are still decreasing. All in all, this is all great signs. Everything about this is great signs. Let's see. Anything on crypto Twitter I'm missing? Any more news? Anything crazy? I love him. I 100% agree. 100% agree. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. 100% agree with Credible Crypto. I'm telling you, he's my boy. I love him. He's awesome. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh, I know it's not. Damn it. All right. Awesome. Ooh. All right. Yep. This looks great, guys. All right, I'm going to do another update on the crypto market on the Discord. Make sure everyone's on the same page. And then we'll get back into it. Oh, man, I've been streaming for like 2.5 hours so far. Maybe 3. Yeah, almost 3 hours. I'm doing pretty good. All right, cool. I told you guys, I'm going to get you guys all the information that you need. I'm going to keep you guys up to date today. All right, so let's go over here to market updates. The Bitcoin dominance continues to drop. This is what we. Wow, how is Bitcoin doing actually? Did we actually close out in profit on a hypothetical trade, which you guys may or might not have taken? I don't know. No, we're still hovering, but trade looks fine. I think it still looks fine. I want to maybe a bear flag. I don't know. Let the volume here. I want to see some more pushback. Bitcoin doesn't look great, but our alts look fine. Ethereum, how are you looking? Little V-ish, not that V-ish. I don't know. How's XRP doing? God, I cannot believe we're back in sub-dollar XRP again. Oh my gosh. Just all the time we see this crap. Sub-dollar XRP again. That just irritates me. You gotta understand, man. XRP has been my #1 holding up until very recently when I switched it to Hbar. For the last long time, I don't want to think about it. I want to say XRP has been my primary holding for years. And obviously, it's just not gone the way I was hoping it would, which sucks. But thanks, SEC. I really do appreciate all your assistance in protecting the investors. I really, really do appreciate it. No, I don't like that. So overall, I like these three trend lines. Also, it's maybe called a 3-strike pattern. Maybe. What is this? Well, whatever it is, irrelevant at this point. This is also irrelevant. Let's get rid of it. Three-strike pattern. Perfect. Wait. Oh, 3-drive. There you go. 3-drive pattern. There it is. I'm losing my mind. Okay. So here's what I'm seeing right now. Okay. This to me looks like a clear 3-drive pattern. All right. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay. 3-drive pattern. 1-drive, 2-drive, 3-drive, continue the upside. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right now. A clear 3-drive pattern. Because if you go over here, what do you have? Clear drive, clear drive, clear drive. So now from this point, we would want to see it accelerate to the upside. All right, so look at this right here. This right here. Drive, drive, drive. Right? That's what I want to see. And now this is a reversal pattern. So this actually is a bullish pattern if it does play out. So let's see if it does. I mean, obviously we don't know. I'm going to go ahead and annotate it. Take this off. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and get rid of this to make it clear. Oh, yeah, it's up here now, isn't it? So one, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. Okay, 3-drive reversal pattern. I want to see. Shitcoin. Yep, exactly. Hate that damn dog. God, I hate that damn dog. All right, whatever. Is what it is. Let's go back to my market update. Finish what I was doing. I think I'm losing my mind right now. I think I need some food. Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. I need food. Bitcoin dominance continues to drop. Is what I want to see for altcoins. Oh, baby, look at this drop. Oh, my gosh. Keep it going. Bitcoin dominance dropping. DXY dropping. Total 2. Oh, wait. Get rid of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and annotate on here. Let's see. Told you guys, I want to keep you updated. Total 2 is approaching a major 3-day resistance zone. Technically, it is acting as support. However, it is also a clear level for profit taking and a clear level for continuation if we are going to get more on the altcoins. Number 5. Send me the page. Oh, Loki's awake. Send me the Patreon information. Actually, let's do this. Attach your Discord on Patreon. It should auto move you. There you go. Yeah, if you attach your Patreon on, if you attach your Discord name to Patreon, it should auto move you. Not let me know, and we can do it another way, but we'll continue giving problems till it is fixed. I didn't spell it correctly. I don't care because I'm going to focus on this. Very much appreciate it, buddy. Though. Sorry, streaming. Okay, cool. Yeah. Shorts continue to rise, or shorts continue to fall? Longs continue to rise. Yeah, so shorts continue to fall. Wait. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna have to get off soon because I am going into a weird state right now. Shorts continuing to fall and longs continuing to rise. These are all great signs. Oh, the puppy's whining now. Oh no, he's not whining. He is having a bad dream. So he's whining while he's sleeping. He's chasing. I'm assuming that he's chasing like rabbits or something. Let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna try. Can you guys see him down there? I'm gonna go big screen. Full screen. There you go. Look at him. He's sleeping right now. You guys can see that, right? Yep. Little pee puddle right there. Sorry about that. A little gross. But there's Loki. All right, cool. And back up here again. All right, cool. I gave you guys some Loki time. Probably I should just move the camera to him only, so you guys can look at Loki while I just talk and show you guys charts. I'm a lot uglier than he is anyway, so. All right. Let's see, where are we at? Deal? Okay. I'm not against it. Make it very clear. Yeah, he's definitely a lot cuter of a scene than I am, so. Oh, man. How's Dow doing? Ooh, still crashing. But here's the important thing, guys. Dow Jones is crashing still, but DXY is also decreasing. So the money's going somewhere. Oh, I assure you, if I get up, he's going to follow me. I guarantee it. There's no way I can get away without him noticing. He's attached to the hip. All right, let's go back to. I will do a couple more chart requests, and then I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna come back and finish the stream. So if you guys think I'm done, you're wrong. I'm just gonna go take a break and then come right back and keep doing this stuff with you guys. I promised right here on the live stream. I promised I will be doing a massive live stream today, several hours long, and we'll be updating the market all day as well as on Discord. My schedule is cleared out. I don't have anything else to do today but this. So I promised you guys I would do this. Okay. Yeah, I think it still looks fine, guys. I'm still pretty confident that everything still looks fine. A little bit of pullback. Nothing too crazy, I don't think. I still want to see my hypothetical trade get validated. Still want to see it. Yeah, Misi Ghost looks good. Still inside of our golden pocket zone, guys. Like this is my thing right here. Once we get above here, I think we're gonna have a lot of potential for upside. Cold-blooded Schiller, he's funny as hell. I like that. That's funny. All right, I'm gonna take a break, guys. I need to take a break. I'm gonna lose my mind if I don't. So I'm definitely seeing myself going slowly insane as I'm looking at these charts. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go and get lunch. Come back. I'll be back. Don't worry, guys. I will be back. I'm probably not gonna release a dedicated video today. What? Oh, that's true. Okay, I'm not going to be doing a video today, but I will be. Obviously, I've been live with you guys literally all day today. So until my wife gets home from work, which will be like probably next 4 or 5 hours. So until there, I'll be back. Don't stress. All right, I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna take a break, and I will. How are we at? 3 hours 11 minutes. That is absolutely a record for me. So have a good one, guys. Deuces and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.